mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 2, 2024, Friday Racing. Umpisa ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races. Yung race 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1,200. At yung last 3 race 5, race 7, at race 6, race 7 ay 1,400. Race number 1, first choice number 6, Batang Kangkalu. Second choice number 5, Biglang Buhos. Race 2, first choice number 1, Lava Walker. Second choice number 7, Auspicious. Race 3, first choice number 6, Super Former. Second choice number 1, Enigmatic Linden. Race 4, first choice number 6, Real Equity. Second choice number 1, Make a Difference. Race 5, napili ko na po itong only choice number 6, Bada Bing. Race 6, only choice number 9, Bohemian. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice number 10, So Humble. Second choice number 3, Rancheros. Third choice number 11, Asik Paul. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana sumama tayo. Thank you!